Visitors are interested in the most relevant pages and tabs on your site. A minimalist web design removes clutter from your site and makes it easy for visitors to find what they are looking for. A minimalist web design only includes elements that are critical to the company. Industries that commonly use a minimalist web design include music, literature, photography, and painting. Your business should embrace minimalist web design because of its benefits for online marketing. In this video, we share with you the key advantages of having a minimalist web design that makes it attractive to many businesses. Hi, and welcome to DeHaro Group. We are a family of 3 generations of graphic designers, web designers, and marketing communicators. Our goal in our videos is to provide you with reliable and accurate knowledge, principles, and tools for you to use in your project's journeys and in your design career path with your clients. Faster loading. The speed at which your website loads affects your profits. Minimalist websites load faster because they have fewer items. Surveys have shown that 40% of visitors are likely to leave a site if it takes over 3 minutes to load. If you adopt the minimalist design, your site will have fewer items to slow downloading speed for browsers. Making sure that your website loads faster on all devices gives you an advantage on search engine rankings. Easy navigation. The minimalist website includes a few elements on the pages. Sometimes minimalist sites are created with large photos leaving big white spaces. This doesn't present the user with many options to choose from like complex sites. This makes it easier for users to click on the call to action button if they are attracted to it. The few options minimalist web design gives users make the site easy to navigate. Focus on content. Many websites have complex, attractive designs, but have no content at all or have ineligible content. It's better to have a site with a minimalist design and great content. It enables people to engage with content without distractions. Content that is convincing and informative converts more. Your customers need visuals to convince them that your product or service is better than the alternative. Easy maintenance. Websites with complex designs are prone to breaking down more often compared to those with a minimalist design. The sites break because they are designed to do too much. This means that you will have to spend more on maintenance. Constant breakdowns and higher maintenance costs aren't good for your company. On the contrary, minimalist web designs last longer than heavy-duty sites because they are slimmer by design. Conversion rates. A minimalist web design together with great content is the best way to achieve higher conversion rates. Most people don't like to waste time trying to figure out what a site is all about. A minimalist design includes quality images and short taglines that tell the product's story. Users don't like figuring out what your site is all about or the type of product you sell. They like it when this information is available to them at a glance. Using high-quality images carrying short taglines is the best way to convey what you're selling to consumers in a nutshell. Simple user interface, UI, UX. A minimalist web design automatically improves the user experience for the better in addition to the appearance of the site. Minimalist web design uses simple navigation tools and sometimes hidden menus. The hidden menu may be confusing to some users. In minimalist web design, navigation is considered a design element and not an extra thing. With a minimalist design, you put every web element in the front or center. In a minimalist web design, every page is displayed for visitors to see. It's a good practice to make sure that all pages are attractive and presentable. White space. Using white space is one of the most important elements of web design. The white space surrounding content makes it visible. Sometimes the space is filled with background texture, color, or pattern. White space is useful just like other elements even if it's empty. Annoying pop-ups. Most websites use pop-ups as a marketing tool. Visitors don't like to see pop-ups, especially pushy ones with messages like, "Buy now." Minimalist websites don't have pop-ups, which makes it easier for customers to spot offers and make an informed buying decision. Simple navigation. To be an effective salesperson, you must have the ability to guide customers through the process. You have the responsibility to make your site easy for visitors to find what they're looking for. Create simple navigation with call to action that directs buyers. Minimalist websites are easier to navigate because they don't have extraneous information. The reason is minimalist sites are built with fewer pages and sections. The design of minimalist sites is less clustered with clear navigation elements. For easy navigation, keep the following in mind. Use one main navigation menu. Use consistent navigation. Use sub-navigation for a specific section to make your main navigation simple. Don't use drop-downs for navigation. Simple code. Using simple codes makes it easier to find bugs on your site. A style sheet made out of 300 different properties would take a while even for a seasoned developer to fix. It's easy to figure out what's wrong with a site with 30 properties. If you're running a site with complex code, look for ways to make your code simple from the word go. Adopt a short style sheet by combining properties and definitions. Combining a style sheet or JavaScript files simplifies your code. Professionalism. People associate complex websites with big companies or multinationals. It's good practice to go against the grain. A minimalist site portrays your business as a large organization run by professionals. Thanks for watching. If you're new to our channel, feel free to subscribe and check our website on the description to learn more about us and our passion for design. More than just subscribers, we want to create a passion-driven community of designers and communicators. We'll see you again soon for our next video. Be unique and deliver excellence.